EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, August 7th and 8th, 2021. I have a new setup here today. I'm trying out with a new microphone with a little noise cancellation thing in front here. So hopefully you hear less of this banging around I'm doing what a lot of times when I'm doing the videos here where I'm moving the mouse or whatever I'm doing. Today's video forecast is sponsored by Bozer Brewing Company in Easton, Pennsylvania. They're at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton, very close to Lafayette College. Good weekend to go get some craft beer outside of, if you're not going to be attending Music Fest, that's a good place to stop in between or on the way or whatever you want to do. But they are open as over business this weekend for some fine craft beer, so please give them a look and stop in and tell them I sent you there for Bozer Brewing Company in Easton, Pennsylvania. Today will be mostly cloudy, okay? We're going to have a lot of clouds streaming out ahead of this area low pressure that's moving along a boundary. There's actually a stalled boundary out here, and this weak low pressure is moving along that boundary. The trend has been in the last 12 to 24 hours to push us a little bit further northwest on some runs. Other models are saying, no, it's going to stay southeast where we had it originally. So we're going to give the chance, keep low chances in the forecast, but we'll have a chance for showers that may make it into parts of southeastern and far eastern Pennsylvania, in addition to Delaware and South Jersey, where it was expected to be originally. So that's going to be in the overnight. That's not today. Today's a mostly cloudy day, and in advance of the system, here you can see the clouds. Plenty of clouds across the region, but there are going to be some sunny breaks in there, especially early on, especially in our northern areas, and then we'll have mostly cloudy skies, which just means more clouds and sun. You'll have some peaks of sun maybe at times during the afternoon, and you can see that in a little few spots here. But then we get mainly cloudy as we get toward evening, and then we'll have some showers moving in at some point. Now, this is the latest NAM that I'm showing you here. The previous NAM is what I'm going to show you on this video here, not the 18Z run, which I'll show you both. The NAM that is running on the primary runs, which are the 12Z and 0Z runs. These run every 6 hours. The 12 and the 0Z runs have been showing a further west track of it. The off-hour runs, 6Z and 18Z, have been pushing it further east. So it's a little bit confusing, and there's no consistency run to run with this. So with the European model today, it did bring it a little bit further west. So you see eclipse southeastern PA and parts of east central Pennsylvania, and then runs over New Jersey and Delaware overnight. This is while we're sleeping, okay? And you might get some that come in as early as mid to late evening or so in our far southern areas. So this is going to be overnight for most of us while you're sleeping. And this is 8 o'clock, and moving this forward from this point, you get some showers moving up, just light shower, not really too heavy, but further south or close to that low pressure, there could be some heavier rain mixed in. But this is showers are going to go through the overnight and then go away. This actually has it going away on Sunday morning, so I don't think that's correct. I don't think it hangs around. It's going to move around pretty quickly, and everything's showing this just being an overnight deal moving away. So then Sunday, maybe a leftover shower very early, and then clouds giving way to sun is your forecast here for Sunday. Now, again, this is what I was showing you, the 12Z run of the NAM here. Here's the latest 18Z run of the same model. And you see it keeps it all southeast, and it's very light. It's across Delaware, southern New Jersey, where it's been expected this entire time. So with that little bit of a wrinkle there, some uncertainty of exactly how it tracks and how far northwest the precipitation shield goes, we're going to allow for overnight in the keep low chances in there. But for places like the Lehigh Valley, Reading, Lancaster, Philadelphia, could get into a few showers overnight as that pulls through. So just keep that in mind. But the latest run here is not showing anything at all. Except for overnight in our far southeastern areas, and that's it. Okay, so that's not too bad. And then again, Sunday is going to be morning clouds, maybe a leftover shower in a few spots, and then that's going to be very early where that shower takes place, and then we're going to have sun coming out during the course of the day. And both days here are a little, I don't want to say cooler, but I mean it was close to 90 in a lot of areas yesterday, upper 80s to near 90. Today's taking a slight step back with those clouds, 84 to 88. And then Sunday we have a northwesterly wind flow, which is coming back in, so to keep the temperatures in check, even though you're going to have a lot more sun on Sunday. 84 to 88 is going to be the spread here for temperatures on Sunday. I think once we get to Monday, we're going to have a big heat wave coming in here. Now, this isn't a blistering heat wave in the sense that we're not going to have high temperatures in the upper 90s and near 100 or anything like that, but we are going to have temperatures 90 to 93. It will probably be our range next week. Monday through Friday, it looks like. And the humidity is going to be kicking up next week as well. So you're going to have some heat indices in the upper 90s to near 100. It's going to feel like that, okay? But it's not going to, the air temperature is not going to be quite that high. So we're going to get into mostly sunny skies here on Monday, partly cloudy skies on Tuesday, no precipitation on either day. And it looks like when we get to Wednesday, there's a leeward trough running out ahead of a cold front and system out here that will affect us later in the week, but along that leeward trough is a chance for an isolated late-day thunderstorm. This is more air mass related. Probably not dealing with severe storms here on Wednesday. But once we get to Thursday, you have a prefrontal trough that could affect the region with some scattered thunderstorm activity. That's probably a little bit higher of a chance on Thursday as compared to Wednesday. And then Friday, we have the actual cold front moving through. We got to watch this for possible severe weather as it moves through, because this is a heat-breaking cold front. So once this moves through, temperatures on the other side of that are going to go back down to near average for a while. Probably the entire third week of August, it looks like it's going to be generally near average or within a few degrees of average. Okay, so it's going to lower the temperatures a little bit from this hot, humid air mass and get a little bit more of a refreshing air mass. Here's Saturday, looking ahead to next weekend. Here's Saturday and Sunday. It looks like dry right now. Once that cold front moves through on Friday, it sets up a nice weekend with a little bit more temperate conditions behind it. Excuse me. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for the weekend, August 7th and 8th, 2021. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.